Sending bulk WhatsApp messages to all your contacts safely is the most important thing that every business should follow by avoiding getting blocked by the server. So here on the screen, you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to my bulk contacts, that too with their personalized name. Yes, you heard it right. I have built this amazing broadcast system where I've sent the same WhatsApp message to all my WhatsApp contacts with their personalized WhatsApp name, that too in a single click. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire process by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to access the Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then you can use my discount code to get a special discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime with Pabbly, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now before Pabbly increases the pricing plans. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now. And it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So to connect yours, click on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So here if you want to learn about any of the process in detail, then you can watch out the video available in the description box below. Alright, this was all about the WhatsApp number. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. So here, as you know that I am going to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all my customers. So for that, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But here, before accessing this broadcast message, let me tell you that I am going to send the pre-approved template message as a bulk WhatsApp message to my customers. So now here, to send the template message as a bulk message, you need to create a template first inside your Pabbly Chatflow account by accessing the template section available over here in the left sidebar. But here, if you want to send the regular type of message, then you can send that too, and for that you need to stay with me till the last of the video, because we are going to see how you can send the regular message as well as a broadcast message to all your contacts. Alright, so now here to create a template, access this template section from the left sidebar. I have already accessed mine, and here you can see the different templates that I have with different names and their status over here on the left side. So now here, let me tell you that once the status is approved, then only you can use the WhatsApp template to send the WhatsApp message to your contacts. I have already created a template with the name new update, and this is the message that I have drafted. So we're going to use this template, but here to create a new one, you need to click on this add template button, and it will direct you to a new template window. From here, you need to add the details and click on the submit, and automatically your template will be created. To learn about this template creation process in detail, you can watch out the video available on our YouTube channel for the same, and also you can directly click on this learn more hyperlink available over here. Alright, this was all about the new template window. Now let me tell you that after creating this template, we are going to access this broadcast feature available over here in the left sidebar. Now here in this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live broadcasts sent, and scheduled broadcast as well. So now here to create a new one, we are going to click on this add broadcast button, and it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast section. So we're going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign first, and for the broadcast name, I'm going to give the name as new updates. Alright, so this is the broadcast name, and then it is asking for the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I already have my customers detail in a Google sheet where I have their name and the phone number separately. So now here I need to add these contacts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account to send the WhatsApp message to all these contacts. So now here to add the contacts, let's access another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contacts. Now here in this contact section, you can see the left sidebar some existing contact list. So now here to create a new one, you need to click on this add contact button, and here you can see two options. One is add single contact and the other one is add bulk contacts. So if you want to add the single contact, then you can simply add the details over here, but to add the bulk ones, you need to select this option, and here you need to upload the CSV file for the same. But as you know that I have my customers data in my Google Sheets. So now here we need to download this data in a .csv format, and for that we need to click on this file, then select download, and from here download the file in a .csv format. Once you're going to download the file, upload the same file over here by selecting this option, and after that select the file that you want to upload and click on this open button. Automatically a file will be uploaded over here, and after uploading the file, the URL will be updated over here, and after that you need to update this duplicate record settings. Then click on this add contact button, and automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and you can create a separate contact list for the same. So here you can see I have some existing list over here, so I'm going to select one of these same from the drop down. So this is my existing contact list. You can select multiple contact list as well, but for now I have selected a single list only. Alright, let's move forward. Then it is asking for select message type. So here you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've already told you that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to send the regular message, then select this option, and here you can select the message type from the drop down. After that you can enter the message over here, and you can see in the right side you have a preview of the same message that you're going to send as a broadcast message. Alright, now I'm going to select my pre-approved template message. So I have this template with the name new update, so we're going to select it. So here you can see the message that I've drafted that says hi name. So here I've used a variable in the place of this name, and this is the entire message body. So here I've used a variable in the place of name because variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here I wanted whenever this message is going to send to any of my customers contacts, then automatically this one variable should be replaced with my customer's name. So now here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from the drop down. So here you can see the 4 global fields, that is name, mobile number, last name and the first name. So if you're using a new account, then only these fields will be visible, but if you're using an old account, then you might have more contact custom fields as per your requirement. And here, as you know that I have used a variable in the place of the name, so we are going to copy the field name for the name and we are going to add it over here, and with this we have successfully made this particular variable dynamic for permanent. Now we're going to click on this done, and you can see a template has been added over here. Then here it is asking us to test the message that we are going to send as a broadcast message to a wider audience. So here to test this message, I'm going to add my username, and here I'm going to add my own mobile number. Alright, then you're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and here you can see instantly I've received a new message where I've received my name, that is hi Roman. This is the same message template. So with this we have successfully tested our message over here. After that it is asking us to schedule the broadcast message. So here if you want to send this broadcast message instantly to all your WhatsApp contacts, then you can select no option, but to schedule it for the later select yes, and here you need to update a date and time for the same. So while entering the date and time, you need to follow a format of date, that is month, day, year, and for the time it's hour and minute. And while selecting the date, make sure you're adding a date for the future date and time, but if you're adding a past date and time, then it is going to send this WhatsApp message instantly to all your WhatsApp contacts. I'm going to add the future date and time over here, and we're going to click on this add broadcast, and you can see successfully scheduled a broadcast message over here. Once this broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can see the rate of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed over here. Through the stats you can analyze your broadcast message that you have sent to your leads or customers. Alright, so this was the very simple of bulk WhatsApp messaging to your contacts in a very useful and safe manner. Alright, I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.